Buongiorno, je m'appelle Jamil. I have learned some French from Duolingo. Hopefully, they sponsor me. It's not sponsored, by the way. I just learned from them. They're real nice. But, anyways, I don't want to talk about it because Duolingo didn't sponsor me yet. Anyways, today I'm gonna be cooking chicken SANDO. My good favorite. It's not top favorite, but it is there. I love to eat it sometimes, not all the times. Ingredient is chicken, green pepper, like the big Maurice we call it, garlic, cheese, black pepper, bread, piyaz Maurice, and some masalas, and this big red chili pepper. So today I'll be cutting my chicken with a knife because it's gonna be really thin. This is how you have to cut the chicken. First you go up, then down with knife. Go up, then down. Anyways guys, how you all doing? कैसे हैं आप लोग? मुझे थोड़ी थोड़ी हिंदी भी आती है. Anyways, English is my language. It's not though, it's Bengali. Bengali is a sweet language. We say, if you want to say how are you, you have to say Khankir pula ki khobor. Some people taught me that. I don't know if they really say like that. But that's how I know somebody said to me that way. That then I was like, yeah, I'm good. How are you guys? But if you're from outside, you have to say it like this, or else it won't work here. And you have to cut the chicken like really, really small. As you can see, very nice. Suge, suge desu, wakari wa, wakari washita. I know some Japanese as well. Konnichiwa, chin chin daisuki, oppa daikirai. Sayonara is not Japanese, by the way. Shaking my head. Some people. First you make the pan hot, then you put the butter. As you can see, the sizzling, drizzling, chiseling. Then you give some garlic. And then you give the onions and butter. Then you just do a little bit stirring, and you give halka sa tel, not too much. Now just stir it non-stop until it becomes pinkish. Now you can see the onions are pinky, so you drop your chicken first, then the garlic, green pepper, both of them goes in. Now you stir them. Now some dhania gura and garam masalas goes in. Salt, red chili pepper, some garlic powder, paprika, and just a tiny little bit of oregano. Mamma mia. Now you mix it again. And you stir it non-stop so it does not get sticky and burned, and every chicken gets its masala. Hope you guys are doing good. You should be drinking water. Guys, don't miss water. Water is important to life. You wanna talk? And that's it. Not more than that. Making it creamy, so I'm gonna pour some milk. And mix it normally so it becomes creamy. It's more fun that way. Now you can see it's creamy, so I'm just gonna drop a cheese, mozzarella cheese, so it becomes a more creamy and amazing. Just let it simmer in. Just keep it on high heat, or I mean low heat. Don't keep it on high heat. Who told you to do that? Not me. And Peta is really angry because I'm eating chicken. See, it's done, and so I'm gonna let it simmer in. I mean, let it rest right now. It's gonna rest for a while, and I'm gonna make the bread ready. You put the bread in the sandwich maker, then get some chicken that you made, then put it in. Not too much, just a bit. Then, and you spread it like this so it goes in all the corners, because it will be cut in half. Then you put the American cheese. Forgot the name. Then you close the lid like this. Perfecto. And that's how you're just gonna close it. Oh shit. Hold it and boom. Shit. Boom. And on. Voila. 3 seconds we have to wait. 3 minutes we have to wait. I don't know how much time you have to wait. And this is how it looks. Absolutely cheesy, amazing. Just look at it. Oy, 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 oy. It smells good too. See it, just look at it. Just look at it, voila. Don't use your hand to pick it up, guys. Just so you know. Oh, just so you know, don't use your hand. Looks amazingly good. Let me take one bite for you guys. It looks amazing. Looks amazing. Just look at it. Look at the cheesy. Oh my god. So good. The heart. Narik mo ya. It's really good. Hope you guys enjoyed today. Today is gonna be a really short video, but that's how it's gonna make you take. It's gonna take you like 5 minutes to make. So hope you guys enjoyed the mid cook, whatever it is. And my big baby is crying. So bye bye, peace.